Tell me your sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Myself, Samraju. Recently, I have completed my BTech in Talapadmati College of Engineering with 6.6 GPA. And I have completed my diploma in Holy Mary College of Institute of Technology and Science, Bogaram. And I have completed my 10th class in Vanu Ketan DG High School.
Tell me your hobbies.
Hobbies playing cricket, sir, listening music.
Okay. So, as a civil engineer, why you are coming into computers?
There is no more opportunity in civil engineering right now, sir. Maybe salary is less as compared to the IT field. In civil engineering, we have to go for hard work, like site work. It's very difficult. So that's the reason I'm choosing IT side.
Explain your graduation project.
So I have done my 6 month internship in a Pixel course, industrial training in a Pixel course. My roles and responsibilities are order the items like cement, sand, and prepare the bills and manage workers to work.
Okay. So, what is the reason behind it that why you have done this project only?
Actually, we have to do industrial training for 6 months in diploma. One of our college sent to this Pixel course to do industrial training. So that's the reason, sir. Maybe I gain some experience in the industrial training.
Okay, tell me your strengths.
Strengths, sir. Work in the pressure, time management.
I need to know the strengths that you have written in your resume. Tell me your strengths that you have written in your resume.
I will work under the pressure, sir. Time management. Easy to communicate. Easy to communicate with people. Easy to interact with people and do hard work, sir.
That's it?
Yes.
That is the thing that you written in your resume? Okay. What are the good things that you have learned in manual testing?
Good things, SDLC, STLC, levels of testing, methods of testing.
Okay. What are the difference between system defining and test designing?
System
Defining and test designing.
Test designing. In test designing, we will write a test scenarios and test cases, sir. System designing, we will prepare a architectural plan.
It's not in that is system designing, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm asking about system defining.
System defining, we will choose which system, which browser we have to do testing.
Okay. Tell me defect life cycle.
A defect which goes into differentiation from starting point to the end point, which contain different phases like QA member will raise the defect if he found any defect with comments he will open with the new status he will forward the defect to the QA manager. Then QA manager will review the defect and forward it to the develop team with the defects. If developer team will accept it, he will provide some time ETA to fix the defect. Then developer will reset or fix the defect and forward to the QA member. QA member will close the defect by close status.
Okay. Why developer reject the defect?
Maybe it's duplicates invalid.
Okay. So my question is, that defect has been reviewed by the QA lead or manager, right? Then it's sent to the developer.
Yes, sir.
In the review process only, why can't the QA lead or QA manager will see that is valid or invalid?
Maybe don't have knowledge regarding coding, sir.
They are not able to understand the defect, why they are reviewing it.
Yes.
If they review the defect, if they think that is invalid, why they are assigning it to developer?
Maybe he don't have knowledge on the defects.
Okay, what are disadvantages agile model?
Agile model disadvantages. Maybe don't get the product in needed time.
That is iterative model disadvantage, right?
Yes.
Who will decide severity?
Sir? Severity, QA member.
Why QA member will decide the severity? Why can't the user?
Defect which affects the application, no, sir.
Okay.
That's the reason QA member will.
That will defect will affect that user also there, right?
Yes, sir.
Then why QA member only decides severity? Good at writing test scenario and test data, right?
Yes, sir.
So what about test data as of now you are prepared?
Maybe Gmail, regarding Gmail.
There is a test data that you are prepared. Tell me what type of data you are prepared for Gmail.
Prepared only test scenario and test cases, sir.
But what is the test data?
by mistake. It,
Mm-hmm. So how you will report the defects? You written right.
yes,
Good at writing test scenario, test cases, test scenarios,
yes, sir.
test cases, and defect reporting.
Yes, sir.
So how defects will be reported to you?
If I found any defect in the application, maybe I will report it to the QA member or QA lead in Agile
Mm-hmm.
by using Jira tool.
By using Jira tool. Roles and responsibility to order the quality of concrete from RMC plant. What is an RMC?
Ready mix concrete, sir. Or already prepared concrete.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Tell me STLC process.
STLC. Software testing life cycle. Software testing life cycle, only QA member will be involved, which contain different pages like test requirements, test planning, test designing, test execution, test closure activity. In test planning, the test out test in test requirements, gather the requirements by requirement document
Mm-hmm.
according to the user needs. Test planning, how testing has to be done. In test designing, the QA member will write test scenarios and test cases based on the application.
Mm-hmm.
In test execution, and QA member will test the application
Mm-hmm.
by considering actual result to the expected result. If actual result expected result is matching, it is due passed. If the actual result and expected result matching, maybe it's fail. In test closure activities, a QA member will generate the report of effectively work has been done.
Okay. Are you good on writing test cases?
Yes, sir.
Can you write a test cases for this water bottle?
Yes, sir.
Just
will
write test cases. Don't write step 1, step 2,
Okay,
step
okay.
3.
Yes, sir, I will.
I want 10 test cases.
Okay,
At
sir.
least 10 test
I will.
cases. Right. Just write the test case names only. Done?
I have written 14, sir.
Good. So, tell me how we feel about the technical sessions, manual testing. Or
I
feel
feel-
comfortable, or do
yes,
you
sir,
have
yes,
any
sir.
questions?
I
or
can
concerns?
easily understand what you are saying, sir. It is easy to understand, sir.
Okay.
It is very good, sir.
Okay, and from my side, you are technically strong, okay,
Yes, sir.
but try to improve bit on your communications.
Okay, sir. I
Don't
will.
be hurry worry. These are all my first interview, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
With you, this is the first interview, right?
Yes, sir.
It happens to every person, but anything.
I will improve, sir. I will
That's the
improve.
only thing that
Okay, sir.
that I can give you for your resume.
Okay,
And coming to your resume, right? So you learn many things, right? Agile process.
Yes,
I
sir.
think you are not written anything technical skills in agile process.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Jira, all those things, right?
Yes, sir.
So try to include those things as well.
Okay, sir.
Sprint, you know, right? Sprint planning, you
Okay,
know.
sir.
There are different phases that you know, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So your categories, user stories,
Yes.
all those things. Try to keep that one.
Okay,
Your resume is up to the mark,
Okay,
but
sir.
only thing is you need to update those things.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. I will.
So when you complete your graduation,
Recently, sir, 2023.
that I think you are not mentioning here itself, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And I think you're given the duration of your
Industrial training, sir. That's 6
industrial
months.
training. But what about your graduation project?
I have done my 2 projects in diploma. I have completed 1 project, and BTech also I did 2 projects, mini project and major project, but I didn't include any in that, sir.
Try to include those
Yes,
things.
sir,
That
I
is the
will.
most important thing, right? Because they need to see whether what you have done your graduation.
Yes, sir.
That makes
I will
sense.
include, sir.
Those are improvement that I can provide you
Okay, sir.
regarding your resume.
Okay, sir.
Good. Okay. Have a great day then. Yeah, you can leave.
Thank you.